Welcome everyone, here is how to insert physical SIM card in iPhone 17 Pro Max. But first, let's check if your iPhone 17 Pro Max has a SIM card slot. So if you own your 17 Pro Max right now, you see the volume buttons here, and then down below, we have the SIM card tray. However, if you are in these following countries, so pause the video, you can see the following countries on screen, US being short for United States, then you have an eSIM only iPhone 17 Pro Max. You won't be able to insert the SIM card, and I will leave a tutorial in the description on how to activate eSIM, which is electronic SIM instead. However, if we have a SIM card slot, inside of your iPhone 17 Pro Max box, you should see this. This is your SIM ejector tool, and you're going to use that to eject the SIM card. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the thin end of the SIM ejector tool, and we will insert it into the hole of our 17 Pro Max, and then we'll push down, keep on pushing until you hear a click, and then you can release. We can now use our nail or our finger to pull out the SIM card tray. So in iPhone 17 Pro Max, you only have one physical SIM card slot, unless you have iPhone 17 Pro Max from China, but I'm assuming most people won't. Now get your SIM card here, and before we insert it, I want you to give it a good clean. And before we insert it, I want you to give it a good clean. So you see this contact part? If your SIM card is old, it's always recommended to just give it a rub with, this is my jumper here. You can use a towel, microfiber cloth. Just give this a nice rub, just like this. This will just remove any dirt or any debris and prevent any problems of the SIM card not being recognized in your iPhone. Now, you want to match the ridge of the SIM card tray with the ridge of the SIM card. You can see it right there. If for whatever reason you can't see the ridge, then just flip the SIM card tray the other way, and then the SIM card should just fit into the SIM card tray nice and flush. Once we have done this, we should be able to put the SIM card tray back in the phone. If you're struggling, you may just need to flip the SIM card tray around, and then we'll just push it in, rub it with our finger, and then let's just double check everything worked. So first of all, if we swipe down from the far right hand side of the screen, you should see your carrier show up right there. That's an excellent sign. And moreover, if we go into our settings, and then we go into mobile service, we can see the carrier, the phone number, and all of the information right here, and we're good to go. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it would really mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, you helped me out, thank you. And if I did not help you out, if you have any questions, any concerns, just let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.